Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. On today's video, I'm going to show you my DIY neem face mask. Without further ado, let's get into the video. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need some yogurt, some turmeric, some neem leaves, a bowl, and a spoon. Neem has antibacterial properties which fights against scars, acne, fights any signs of aging, oily skin, infection, and hyperpigmentation. Take a handful of neem leaves, add into a blender, add 3 tablespoons of yogurt, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and blend into a paste. Yogurt is really good for your skin. It moisturizes your skin, fights acne, reduces dark circles, and reduces wrinkle. Turmeric lightens your skin, lightens your hyperpigmentation, your scars, and makes your overall complexion even. You want to go ahead and blend, and this is the consistency you want. You don't want it too runny and you don't want it too thick. Apply on your face for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you want to wash it off and apply your favorite moisturizer. This mask is really good and very effective, but make sure you use it on a regular basis, at least 2 times or 3 times a week, and you'll see a huge difference. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.